Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the ChatPlant AI, plant identifier, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. ChatPlant AI is an AI-powered plant identification app designed to help gardeners, hobbyists, and nature lovers quickly identify plants by simply taking or uploading a photo. The app uses a vast plant database and advanced image recognition technology to provide detailed information about plant species, care instructions, and interesting facts. It also offers features like plant care reminders and a community for sharing plant discoveries. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate ChatPlant AI's fast and accurate identification results and its user-friendly interface. The detailed care guides and reminders help users maintain healthy plants easily. Additionally, the community features encourage engagement and plant knowledge sharing. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional misidentifications, especially with rare or less common plants. Full access to all features and detailed care content requires a subscription, which may be a downside for casual users. Also, an internet connection is needed for best performance. In summary, the ChatPlant AI app may be worth using if you want a quick and convenient way to identify plants and get care advice without needing expert knowledge. However, if you prefer fully offline use or require professional-level identification accuracy, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.